80 million people are freelancing in 2026, but 70% of them quit within 12 months. The difference between those who fail and those who build six-figure freelance businesses comes down to 7 critical mistakes. And I'm about to show you exactly what they are, so you can avoid losing thousands of dollars and months of wasted time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to price your services, which platforms actually pay well, and how to land your first high-paying client. Let's start with the biggest mistake that costs beginners the most money. Mistake number 1 is underpricing your services. Most beginners think they need to charge $5 or $10 per hour to compete. Here's the truth. When you charge too little, clients assume you deliver low-quality work. It's basic psychology. In 2026, successful freelance writers charge between $50 and $200 per hour. Designers charge between $75 and $300 per hour. Even as a beginner, you should start at minimum $30 per hour. If you have any specialized skill, start at $50. The clients who pay well don't shop on price. They shop on results, and they'll happily pay more for someone who sounds confident and professional. I've seen beginners land their first client at $75 per hour simply because they position themselves correctly from day one. Which brings us to mistake number 2, choosing the wrong platforms. Not all freelance platforms are created equal. Some are race to the bottom nightmares. Others connect you with serious clients who have real budgets. In 2026, Upwork still dominates for serious freelancers, but you need to know how to use it correctly. Ignore the low-budget jobs completely. Focus only on clients who have spent over $10,000 on the platform and have a payment verified badge. These are real businesses. For designers and creatives, Dribbble and Behance Pro are gold mines in 2026. Companies post projects starting at $5,000. Writers should focus on Contently and Skyward. These platforms connect you directly with Fortune 500 companies that pay premium rates. Avoid Fiverr unless you're just building initial reviews. The platform structure makes it nearly impossible to charge premium prices. Mistake number 3 is starting without a portfolio. And no, you don't need past clients to build one. Here's what winning freelancers do. They create spec work for dream clients before those clients even hire them. If you're a writer, write 3 sample blog posts for companies you want to work with. If you're a designer, redesign their homepage or create social media graphics. This accomplishes 2 things. First, you have portfolio pieces that demonstrate your skills. Second, you show initiative that most freelancers lack. I know freelancers who landed $5,000 contracts by sending spec work directly to their dream clients. The work spoke louder than any resume. Your portfolio should have 3 to 5 strong pieces. Quality beats quantity every single time. Mistake number 4 is writing terrible proposals. Your proposal is your first impression, and most beginners blow it within the first sentence. Never start with "Hello, sir," or "Madam. I'm very interested in this project." That's what everyone writes. You get ignored immediately. Instead, lead with a specific insight about their business or project. Show that you actually read their requirements and understand a problem. For example, I noticed your conversion rate dropped 30% after your last website redesign. I specialize in user experience fixes that boost conversions. Then include one portfolio piece that directly relates to their project. Make it impossible for them to ignore you. Keep your proposal under 200 words. Busy clients don't read essays. They scan for value and move on. Mistake number 5 is horrible communication. The fastest way to lose clients is taking 12 hours to respond to messages. In 2026, successful freelancers respond within 1 to 2 hours during business hours. This alone sets you apart from 70% of freelancers. Set up notifications for your freelance platforms and email. Check them every 2 hours minimum. Fast communication signals reliability and professionalism. Also, over-communicate project status. Send brief updates every 2 to 3 days, even if it's just to say you're making progress. Clients who feel informed become repeat clients. Silence creates anxiety and kills relationships before they start. Mistake number 6 is treating freelancing like a lottery. Applying to random jobs and hoping something sticks is a guaranteed way to fail. Instead, pick one specific niche and become known for it. In 2026, specialists earn 3 times more than generalists. Don't be a social media manager. Be a LinkedIn growth specialist for B2B tech companies. Don't be a writer. Be a conversion copywriter for e-commerce brands. The more specific you get, the easier it is to find clients, charge premium prices, and build a reputation that attracts referrals. Finally, mistake number 7 is quitting your job too early. I know that sounds boring, but it's critical. Don't quit your day job until you're earning at least 50% of your salary from freelancing for 3 consecutive months. Desperation kills negotiations. When you have financial security, you can say no to low-paying clients and hold out for the good ones. That's how you build a real business. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Operation Wealthy. We post new money skills every single week. Now here's your action plan. Today, pick your niche. Tomorrow, create 2 portfolio pieces. By the end of the week, send 10 customized proposals. The freelance economy in 2026 is massive and growing. But only if you avoid these 7 mistakes will you actually succeed and build real income. You have everything you need to start right now. Stop overthinking it and take the first step today.